The following content has been generated with artificial intelligence under minimal human supervision. The data presented may contain errors or inaccuracies. The opinions expressed in this content do not necessarily reflect the vision, position, or values of DigiAll. We recommend verifying critical information with additional sources before making decisions based on this content.
Welcome to DigiAll Tech News. Today is Saturday, May 16th, 2026. I'm Kylie Brooks, and this is where technology becomes clear and engaging. Anthropic warns that democratic AI leadership by 2028 will hinge on compute, adoption, and global rule setting. Samsung workers are preparing a historic 18-day strike as the AI boom exposes deep internal divisions over bonuses. General Motors, Ford, and Stellantis have cut more than 20,000 US salaried jobs as AI reshapes the auto industry. Two North Texas teenagers built Handwave, an AI tool designed to translate American Sign Language in real time. The Free Press spotlights Alpha School, a teacherless San Francisco school trying to prepare children for an AI world. Anthropic's paper lays out two paths. One where democracies keep a clear lead in model intelligence, chip access, capital, adoption, and global distribution, and another where China catches up or overtakes through easier compute access and large-scale distillation attacks. The company argues advanced chips are the decisive resource, and it calls for tighter export controls, faster democratic AI adoption, and stronger defenses against extraction of US innovations. The stakes, in Anthropic's framing, are not abstract. The paper links authoritarian AI to censorship, automated repression, hacking, military uses, and safety risks if the race becomes neck and neck. Reuters reports that more than 45,000 workers could join the largest strike in Samsung's history, beginning May 21st. The conflict centers on proposed bonuses of 607% of annual salary for memory chip employees, compared with 50% to 100% for logic and foundry workers whose units have posted major losses. The union wants Samsung to abolish the 50% cap and allocate 15% of annual operating profit to a shared bonus pool, while analysts warn the walkout could affect profits, sales, and global chip supply chains. CNBC says the Detroit Three have reduced their combined US salaried workforce by about 19% from recent peaks. General Motors led the decline with roughly 11,000 fewer salaried jobs since 2022, while Ford and Stellantis also reduced white-collar headcount. This is not only about cost-cutting. Software-defined vehicles, electric cars, autonomous systems, and artificial intelligence are changing what talent automakers need, even as GM still lists more than 250 AI-related openings. Shivan Veligapudi and Adi Sangvi, lifelong friends and high school seniors, built the project after personal experiences with hearing loss and American Sign Language. Handwave uses machine learning to recognize ASL letters and phrases, display them as a hand skeleton, and deliver translation through smart glasses with an integrated camera. It is not being presented as a finished product yet, but the teens believe more time and funding could turn their home office prototype into a tool for connecting communities. The Free Press newsletter describes Alpha School as a $75,000 a year institution for children of tech elites, with no traditional teachers, a 2-hour academic day, project work for much of the schedule, and $100 rewards for perfect test scores. The model relies on guides and personalized systems to accelerate learning. Critics say it gamifies education and misunderstands how children actually learn, making it a vivid example of the wider debate over what schooling should look like in the age of AI. We'll keep tracking these 5 signals: geopolitical competition over AI, labor pressure inside the chip industry, white-collar disruption in Detroit, inclusive tools built by young developers, and new education models for an algorithmic world. Technology is moving quickly, but understanding who benefits, who is left out, and what choices are being made now is what keeps the future in focus. Thank you for staying informed with Digi All Tech News. We'll be back with more updates as they develop.